It's not an accident that God's been stirring you and drawing you and making you unsatisfied with the life that you've been living and saying you got to get your babies to the house of God. You got to get yourself to the house of God, because He's calling you to rebuild something. He's calling you to reset something. He's calling you to put your hand to the plow. He's calling you to put your hand on the rubble and say, God, if you want to use me to clear it, if you want to use me to reach Jackson, if you want to use me in that ministry, then here I am, God. I submit and I surrender and I am willing.